Travelers are deciding to stay home rather than risk infection at the airport and, of course, in the sky. And I'm joined now via Skype by Andrew Schrage. He is the co-founder and CEO of personal finance website Money Crashers. Andrew, thank you for joining us. First and foremost, I mean, how are you dealing with this? Are you staying quarantined and quarantine and chill right now, as a lot of people are saying?
Yeah, that's the story out here. That's what I'm doing. Most people aren't traveling. They're not taking the flights, even if they booked them in the past. And it's something that's a daily issue we all need to deal with and figure out how to handle our travel plans.
Andrew, let's talk about flights, because this has been a very complicated thing I've seen from in my own personal life to other people. Maybe not quite so much literally today, but over the last week or so, you start to see these flight prices go down dramatically. I'm talking about 100. And I have a coworker here she's going to Miami for a couple $100 round trip, and people are seeing you can go to New York for $100 round trip. Are people deciding to do these things? Are they staying away from flights? What's the flight situation, and how are airlines even refunding people if they bought tickets that they're no longer going to use?
Yeah, it's a great question, and it's extremely tempting. Some of these prices we're seeing, you can get to Europe for a couple $100 round trip, or make it to Hawaii for $99 nonstop. And the one thing to keep in mind is, while tickets booked today or booked this month do have policies that allow you to get refunds, they're not actually in the form of cash refunds. They're actually in the form of travel credits. So even though an airline may allow you to cancel your trip, you will get that in the form of travel credit that you actually have to use up often by the end of 2020. So keep in mind that while you do have some great deals to take advantage of, you are committing your money, and you will eventually give that money to those airlines, even if you can't take that trip by the end of the year.
I just saw that. My wife, in fact, she's out of town. She sent me a text message that said, until March 31st, you can do exactly what you just said, buy a flight and then make some cancellations or some changes need be. What about the fact that when we book flights, oftentimes you have that option to click on travel insurance? Many people click, no, I'll be okay. I know I'm going on this trip. What is travel insurance right now? How are they handling all this?
Yeah, so a common misconception, and one of the most common issues that we come across at Money Crashers, is most people assume travel insurance allows you to cancel for any reason. It gives you carte blanche. And in fact, that's not true. And most travel insurance policies will not allow you to cancel or get any kind of refund for the coronavirus situation. The one caveat to that is there is an option called cancel for any reason. And this is a type of option that many travel insurance companies will allow you to purchase on top of your existing policy. And this actually does allow you to cancel for any reason, whether that's changing your mind or because of the current pandemic situation. The one thing to keep in mind here when considering this is you'll have to pay often double or more a normal travel insurance policy to get this option. So make sure you do the math and determine whether it's worth it and worth the extra investment you have to make in that potential trip you might take.
All right, we'll get you out of here on this one. We're talking about traveling, but are there any even businesses to go to? If I went to Hawaii for that $100, am I even going to get a hotel? Am I going to have anywhere to rent a car? I mean, what are businesses doing as far as travel right now?
Yeah, so businesses are moving and rolling with the punches. They are open, hotels are open, airlines are all operating, maybe at a decreased scale from how they normally operate day to day. So you can find hotels, you can find Airbnbs, you will find much better cancellation and refund policies than you normally would. So if you want to take the risk and travel, then the options are there to go to either local destinations or travel abroad.
Andrew, I appreciate you taking time out of here, and stay safe as well. And thank you for all this information. Appreciate it.